years old. What color do you like? Orange. Say the word orange. Good. What food do you like? Do you like bananas? Or apples? What fruit do you like? I like watermelon. I like watermelon too. Wow. Are you ready? Yes, you do. Okay, let's do this. Look at these colors. Tell me what color. Go. It's just like this, okay? Like this, okay? Ready, go. It's red, yellow, good. Good, it's white. Next, it's good. Black, yes, it's black. Do you like black? No? Do you like yellow? Yes, you do. Okay, now what number? It's number 6 and 7. Okay, next. Number 8. Next. Number 10. Good. Number 5. Good. Okay. It's a fish. Next. Lion. Good. Next. It's a scarf. Can you say, I'm wearing a scarf? I'm wearing a woolen. I'm wearing a hat. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Good. Okay, next. What is milk? Moon. Good. Next. Sunny. Perfect. Good. Now, which here is blue? Where is blue? Yes. Correct. Blue is correct. Next, which one is cut? Good job. What's this? Good job. Next, what's this? What is it? Paint is blue. Correct. Next, what is it? Good. Blue. Correct. Next, which one is take off your shoes? Yes, very good. Boom. Very nice, Ken. You did a nice job. Clap hands for Ken. Give me a high five. Say goodbye to teacher. Goodbye, Ken. See you again.